afternoon, viewers. I'm Fani Agustina report this afternoon about flood in the Bogor city. Today's flood hit a number of urban areas due to heavy rainfall signs early this morning. Besides on observation in the field, water began to entourage main roads and residential areas, with a high reaching 15 to 18 centimeters at several points. According to information from Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency or BMKG, the heavy rain is expected to continue for the next few days. Drains that is less the optimal is all one of the cause of slow water flow, thus making flooding conditions worse. We welcome our friend who are Lutfi Afifatur Rahmah. Location time is yours.
Residents affected by the flood have been evacuated to temporary evacuations. These evacuation sites provided by the local government. We have been evacuating since this morning because the water continues to rise, said City. A resident whose house was flooded. This is our report from the flood locations. We will continue to provide the latest information regarding the situation in the field. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Lutfi, for your report, viewers. Please time alone any weather for watch and always look for any news. I am Fani Agustina Putri saying goodbye and see you later.